Jack and I would like to thank the staff. I can't imagine what more they could have done during this horrible, horrible time. We had food, we had everything that we needed, and very well taken care of. So thank you so much for caring for us. We appreciate it. We love all of you. Thank you. What a wonderful place we're at.
Thank you so much to the staff from the Preserve for making this event comfortable. And I'm just so thankful everybody's fine.
That not only were our facilities safe, which I'm thankful for that, I didn't get scared or nervous 1 minute because I knew we were okay.
I'm glad I was here. I watched the whole hurricane out my window with the hurricane-proof windows they have. And I just can't say enough for the staff of this place.
A great big thank you to all of you for keeping us safe and keeping up with what we needed.
The staff did a terrific job from front desk on through. I just want to comment on the residents. I think they were comfortable and they had no fear because they were in a safe place.
I've lived in Florida for almost 30 years, so this was not my first hurricane. But I have to say it's been the nicest one for me. Before, I always hunkered down by myself, and now I was too old to do that. And I'm here at Preserve, and it's been very pleasant.
Thank you for keeping me safe.
If you want to be safe, move into the Preserve because it is hurricane proof and I've lived through it. Thank you very much and you have a good day.
You made us all smile at a time when it was kind of scary.
Thank you, staff.
And I still sit back and think about that time and how fortunate we are to be here at the Preserve.